I have here in Scotland is actually getting my peppers and aubergines to ripen. This one has got slightly longer roots, so I'm just going to give it a little bit of a trim, not too much. This one's probably going to have to be a bit longer because you see it's branching off there, and I would want to take 2 branches off of this. I'm going to have to take a chance with this one actually, because I can't really get... Yeah, I'm going to have to just do this 1 to 1 because I don't have 2 nodes above that, and that's where I want to cut it. Never mind. So we just off with that one. Have to be off to that one as well. Snip out that little flowering bit and cut that leaf right down. And then take the lower ones off. We don't want any of these. When this grows again next year, I shall take 1 leader off of that and 1 off of that, hopefully. And then I've got a nice coloured pot for it, so I remember it's the aubergine. Pop it in. You want to keep it somewhere cool but warm. You don't want to leave these outside because they will just die. You could always, if it gets a bit cool, you could put a bag over them, a plastic bag of some description. And that's the aubergine planted up. Now, the good thing about aubergines is you can take cuttings from them. These probably aren't the best specimens to take a cutting from, and I shall look on my other ones to see if I've got anything a bit better. But just for demonstration, I'll just show you now. Don't want any flowers in it. So you've just got a little cutting like that. Stick it in the corner of a pot. Same sort of thing that we do with any cuttings you take. So if you've had a good aubergine plant this year, you can not only overwinter the main stem, but you can also take cuttings, so you have a couple more. Hopefully they'll take and they will give us a head start on next year. So that's how I overwinter aubergines that I want to get an early start on next year. That's it for today from Valerie. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.